Okay, so here is the big project. Aria's big girl bed. Somebody is already enjoying it. Aria has not seen it yet. We got some pretty clouds up on the wall. Her animal friends. And the ark here to match the ark on her baby quilt. Yes, hi Marley. See, there's the yellow ark with the purple. So we made the full bed-size version. And comes with lots of nice storage on the sides. And we have storage on the sides here. Obviously we have to figure out what to put in there. We've got plenty. And same on the other side. It's got some baskets in it already. There's the painted detail in the front of that one that I still have to do to the front top here and the front top on the side over there. And then there are going to be a couple paintings of animals on the back there. So I'll get pictures when that's done. But then we also have storage down here. So lots of space to put things. And yeah, so we've been working on this for quite a few months now. But finally we moved it in and Aria is on her way home to see it for the first time. So we should get her honest and fun reaction, whether she hates it or loves it. Bye!